Tragacanth gum, also known as Gond Katira, is a natural resin with surprising health benefits backed by science. Here are 5 reasons to consider adding it to your wellness routine. Cooling and hydrating. Gond Katira has natural cooling properties that help prevent heat stroke and dehydration, especially during hot weather. Supports digestive health. It acts as a natural laxative, aiding in digestion and relieving constipation without harsh side effects. Promotes skin health. Its anti inflammatory and hydrating effects may help soothe skin issues like acne and dryness when consumed regularly. Boost strength and stamina. Rich in calcium and magnesium, it helps improve physical strength and is often used in post workout drinks. Supports weight management. Its natural gelling effect can create a sense of fullness which may help control appetite and support weight goals. How to use. Soak 1 to 2 teaspoons of dry Gond Katira in a bowl of water overnight until it fully swells and turns jelly like. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of the jelly per day. Store the remaining soaked portion in the fridge and use as needed. You can mix it into cold milk, smoothies, or refreshing summer drinks like rose or lemon sarbat. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and follow, and stay tuned for more science-backed wellness insights.